Hi guys, some of you might not know this, but I have a pet leopard gecko. Her name is Luna. And so I decided, well, I know a lot about leopard geckos because they're my favorite animal and I have a pet one. So I decided to share the leopard gecko setup with you guys. So this needs to be very precise. You don't want to make a really bad mistake because that can be really bad for your leopard gecko. So I'm going to show you their tank setup. So the first place I'm going to show you is called the cool hide. This is where she goes when she's really hot. It'll cool her down. It'll be on one of the sides here. So for me, I have it on this side. Then these are her water dishes. This one's empty at the moment. It's best, you don't want to give your leopard geckos tap water. It doesn't really matter where you put these, but you see my lighting set up right here. I wouldn't put it exactly under there because the water evaporates really quickly. Moving on, this is her moist hide. The hides are really important. So they're the caves that leopard geckos hide in. It normally will have sphagnum moss in it or a wet paper towel. That keeps it moist. You really need your moist hide because leopard geckos shed their skin and moisture helps them with it. So you can have sphagnum moss in there. And don't be alarmed if your leopard gecko eats their skin. They're supposed to. It's really good for them. It's got calcium. This is her calcium dish. Speaking of calcium, we might want to fill that. We just used a peanut butter jar lid for it and washed it really thoroughly. She needs 2 different calciums. One calcium we dunk our crickets in, and this calcium we put in here. She'll actually lick it. But I'm not talking about calcium right now. This is really important, the hot hide. I'm guessing Luna's in there right now. Are you in there, Luna? Don't think I can see her. It has a heating pad under it, and it needs to be, can be on that side, the cool hide is, but the cool hide has to be on this side. The moist hide always has to be here. So it's right above that heating pad, and Luna's normally in there all the time. And we like giving her stuff to climb on. Example, this stick and this. You don't want to get rocks you found on the road. That can be bad. And wash stuff really thoroughly. Some things can be really bad. This helps us see her temperature. It's supposed to be in the middle, but it isn't right now. And then right here, this shows us how much humidity it is. It's 88 right now. So, yes. And you might see my really cool desert background. Leopard geckos are from the desert, so that's why I have this here. It looks really awesome, guys, but for Luna, it confuses her, and she loves climbing. That's why we have this moist hide here. Leopard geckos love climbing, even though they don't have sticky feet, so I advise you do that. She gets really confused by these mountains, and she tries climbing to get them, and this wallpaper really confuses her. That's why I would not recommend it. But I paid $10 for this one, so I'm not taking it down. And this cactus just helps her climb on it. You're gonna want to make sure you have a special pooping corner. I'm not gonna show you the leopard gecko poop. It's disgusting-ish. Kind of looks like bird poop, but yeah. Leopard geckos are very neat. They'll choose one place for their pooping corner. So make sure you maintain that. And we have for leopard gecko water, we use this water from plastic cups. That's good for leopard geckos. If you don't have that, I suggest not using tap water, like from the sink. That would be bad. But yes, so we also need the sun. Right now she's got her normal light on and her heating light. So the heating light, the heating light is that one right there. It's for her to bask in. And then this is her normal light, the whitish one that she'll use. So yes, this is Leopard Gecko tank set up. So this is what I have. Oh, one last important thing, the substrate and or carpet. So for baby and juvenile leopard geckos, it's suggested that you use carpet. It's really sad when you use carpet and you see like your geckos eating crickets and their teeth get stuck in it. Luna rarely does that now. So Luna's 1 year old, so she can have play sand mixed with some dirt substrate. I don't remember right now, since she's that age. But we haven't yet because we've heard sand is hard to clean, so we'll be cleaning her cage today. Anyway, this is the leopard gecko set up. Or at least mine. You can have different hides and different water dishes, but make sure that moist hide is moist and cool hide is cool, and this obviously has a heating pad under it. Make sure to like and subscribe for more leopard gecko care videos and other videos too.